getting twisted all around in the water, round and around and around. Wait a minute. Ah, you got her. I'm going to see if I can catch one of the other ones. I got the bluefish. I got the bluefish. Come on, I'll help you swim. Oh, stuck. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yes, you do. Now, where's the green fish? Aha! Let me catch the green fish. If I can.